guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Saini Miyara. So for today's video, I will share to you the iPhone XR of my friend. Her name is Jeremy Beses and this is her Facebook. If you're interested to know the price of the item, where we bought the item, please stay tuned to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you will be notified whenever I post a video. This is not a paid advertisement, this is not a paid endorsement, pero based on our experience lang ito and just also share to you about the DIM Gadget PH if you want to know something about them, about this store. We bought the item there as January 2022. In my previous videos about the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, ito yung kasama niya. So, dalawa kaming bumili noon ng phone. My phone is iPhone 11 Pro Max and my friend's phone is iPhone XR. Sa shipping fee, we divided the total amount for the shipping fee via LBC at the Butuan branch. Fortunately, natanggap namin siya in a good condition, walang damage, okay ang phone, legit. So I will share to you this time the price and the specs as well as the camera review. So let's go! Sa katunayan, both nabili namin ang phone in a 100% battery health pa siya. And until now, itong cellphone ng friend ko ay 100% pa rin ang kanyang battery life. And binili siya last January 2022 and we are now in March 15, 2022. So see, hindi pa rin nag-degrade or deteriorate yung battery health ng iPhone. Para sa mga kadalasang tanong, una, kung legit ba ang store? Yes, legit ang store. And napapatunayan namin na ang mga phones nila ay original talaga as well as yung battery. And for the price of this item is, guys, this is a pre-owned iPhone. Meaning sa pre-owned, may previous owner nito. And bale, second-hand user na kami. Ako, yung friend ko, second-hand user na. So, sa price na 17K, I tell you, very sulit na siya kasi legit yung phone, original talaga, plus yung battery health niya is 100% pa lang. Imagine, binili siya last January 2022 and until now, March na, 100% pa rin ang battery life niya. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang specs ng kanyang iPhone camera and kung totoo ba yung sinasabi nila na among the iPhones released, si XR ang mas may pinaka magandang resolution ng camera. So, try natin kung totoo ba.
Fantastic.
If you're going to ask me kung sulit ba ang kaniyang camera, sulit ba sa price, yes, super sulit niya for the price, for the camera, for the specs, and all. Tapos, very handy lang siya. And hindi basta-basta nag-deteriorate yung kaniyang battery health.